Welcome to Best Choice. The best filter accessories is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in maintaining the pristine quality of your water, ensuring that every drop you consume is free from impurities and contaminants. These essential add-ons play a vital role in optimizing the performance of your filtration systems, extending their lifespan, and ultimately safeguarding your health by providing a reliable barrier against unwanted particles and substances. Investing in the right accessories can significantly enhance your filtration experience, making it more efficient, convenient, and effective for everyday use. Number 5. Camco Tastepure RV Water Filter 40043. Experience the advanced 6-step filtration process. This technology works seamlessly to deliver exceptionally clean water for your needs. This filter is independently tested and certified lead-free to meet stringent standards. It complies with all federal and state lead-free laws. Enjoy clean, great-tasting water wherever you go. It effectively reduces bad tastes, odors, chlorine, and sediment. Proudly made in the USA with top-notch materials and expert craftsmanship. Its patented design ensures the highest quality. Easily attach this filter to any standard hose for cleaner drinking water. It's perfect for campers, boats, pets, gardening, and more. A 20-micron sediment filter blocks impurities while the wide-body design boosts water flow. You get efficient and clean water delivery. It includes a flexible hose protector that prevents kinks and reduces strain. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted water flow. What we like? This filter offers advanced 6-step filtration for exceptionally clean water and is certified lead-free for your safety. It also includes a flexible hose protector to prevent kinks. If you're looking for reliable, safe drinking water on the go, especially for RVs or camping, this is a great choice. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively removes impurities from the water, leaving it clean and fresh. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Number 4. Camco Tastepure RV Water Filter 40045. Experience the remarkable 6-step filtration process. Each layer works together to ensure your water is exceptionally clean and pure. These filters are independently tested and certified lead-free, complying with all federal and state regulations for your peace of mind. Enjoy clean, great-tasting water wherever you go. It effectively reduces bad tastes, odors, and impurities for refreshing hydration. Proudly made in the USA with expert craftsmanship, this product features a patented design that has undergone rigorous testing for the highest quality. Easily connected to any standard hose for cleaner drinking water. It's perfect for campers, boats, pets, gardening, and even car washes. It provides 20-micron sediment protection while its wide-body design ensures a high flow rate, so your water runs efficiently. This essential accessory comes in a convenient 2-pack, ensuring you have a reliable supply for your RV or marine needs. What we like? Get double the value with this 2-pack of advanced 6-step filtration filters, all certified lead-free. If you need a consistent supply of clean water for extended trips or want a backup, this multi-pack offers excellent convenience and peace of mind. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively removes impurities from the water, leaving it clean and fresh. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Number 3. US Silica Mystic White 2 Pool Filter Sand, 50 pounds. Keep your pool crystal clear with our high-purity white silica sand. It's designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools, offering exceptional filtration. This 50-pound bag is easy to store and handle. It works perfectly with your sand pool filter pump for a thorough clean. Effectively capture dirt, dust, leaves, and even oils and cosmetics. It ensures your pool water stays clean and inviting. Its unique angular shape maximizes debris entrapment and ensures uniform flow. This prevents clogging and keeps your filter system running smoothly. Rely on over 100 years of expertise from US Silica. We provide resilient, reliable, and innovative solutions for your pool maintenance needs. What we like? This is a high-purity white silica sand designed for superior pool filtration, capturing a wide range of debris. If you're maintaining an above-ground or in-ground pool and need an effective, reliable, and easy-to-apply filter media, this sand is an excellent option for crystal clear water. What people say. I rinsed it thoroughly, but found little debris and it sinks and stays there, not dusting the aquarium. This is really effective filter sand. I use it in my Intex sand filter and it does a great job. One bag was plenty to fill up the filter and lasted for several years. I purchased this and the pool was crystal clear in a day. The quality is superb, no need to sift out gravel and it gets the job done. Number 2. Intex PureSpa Type S1 Hot Tub Filter Replacement Cartridge, 2-pack. Keep your PureSpa jet massage water crystal clear and refreshingly clean with this powerful 2-pack of cartridge filters. Enjoy a more relaxing and enjoyable spa experience every time. Maintaining your spa has never been easier. These filters are designed for simple cleaning with heavy-duty Dacron paper, offering the ultimate filtration for your hot tub. For the best results, we recommend cleaning your cartridges weekly and replacing them once a month. This ensures maximum efficiency and a consistently clean spa. Designed to keep your hot tub and spa safe and pristine, these filters work diligently. They are engineered to boost the overall performance of your pool, ensuring a superior experience. These replacement cartridges are compatible with all Intex PureSpa models. You can trust them to fit seamlessly and perform exceptionally with your specific unit. What we like. This 2-pack of heavy-duty Dacron paper filters offers easy maintenance for your hot tub. If you prioritize keeping your spa water clear and fresh with simple weekly cleaning and monthly replacement for optimal performance, these cartridges are ideal for a relaxing spa experience. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively removes impurities from the water, leaving it clean and fresh. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Number 1. K&N High Flow Lifetime Engine Air Filter 33 to 5083. Experience a boost in horsepower and acceleration. This advanced air filter media is engineered to enhance your engine's overall performance. Built with premium, durable materials and cutting-edge construction, this filter is designed to last a lifetime. It's a robust upgrade for your vehicle. Featuring multiple layers of premium cotton gauze treated with a special tacking agent, it creates an intricate mesh. This design effectively blocks and traps harmful contaminants. Enjoy incredible longevity with minimal maintenance. It only requires cleaning every 75,000 miles under normal highway driving conditions. This filter offers ultimate longevity and comes with a no-hassle limited lifetime warranty. It's a reliable, long-term investment for your vehicle. Get quick performance gains with ease. It comes pre-treated and is ready to drop into your factory air box, make it a simple upgrade. Reduce waste with a washable, reusable filter designed to outlast many disposable ones. Proudly made in the USA for trusted quality and reliability. What we like. Engineered to increase horsepower and acceleration, this washable and reusable air filter offers ultimate longevity with a limited lifetime warranty. If you're looking to boost your vehicle's performance and reduce waste with an eco-friendly, high-flow filter that's easy to install and maintain, this is the upgrade for you. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. The water tastes great after using this filter. It effectively removes impurities, leaving the water clean and fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.